In the world of high-quality cookware, enameled cast iron pieces have earned their place as kitchen essentials. Among these, the Braiser and Dutch ovens stand out as versatile and durable options that can elevate your cooking experience. While they share some similarities, their unique designs and capabilities make them suited for different culinary tasks. This comprehensive comparison will delve deep into the characteristics, uses, and benefits of Braisers and Dutch ovens, helping you make an informed decision about which piece best suits your cooking style and needs. Construction and design. Both Braisers and Dutch ovens are typically crafted from enameled cast iron, a material prized for its excellent heat retention and distribution properties. However, their shapes and dimensions differ significantly, influencing their cooking capabilities and best uses. A Braiser features a wide, shallow design with gently sloping sides, usually about 2 to 2 inches high. This shape provides a large cooking surface area, making it ideal for searing and browning meats and vegetables. The wide base allows for more food to be in direct contact with the heat source, promoting even cooking and caramelization. The lid of a Braiser is often domed, providing extra space for larger cuts of meat or vegetables. This design allows for better air circulation within the pot, which can be beneficial for certain cooking techniques. In contrast, a Dutch oven has tall, straight sides, typically 4 to 5 inches high. This steeper design allows for a greater volume of food and liquid, making it perfect for soups, stews, and large roasts. Dutch ovens usually have a flat lid, which is suitable for their primary functions of slow cooking and simmering. Both pieces feature tight-fitting lids to lock in moisture and flavor, as well as handles on either side for easy transport from stovetop to oven to table. The handles are typically designed to stay relatively cool, even when the pot is hot, though oven mitts are always recommended for safety. Material composition. While both Braisers and Dutch ovens are commonly made of enameled cast iron, it's worth exploring this material in more detail to understand its benefits. Cast iron core. The base material is cast iron, known for its exceptional heat retention and even heat distribution. This allows for consistent cooking temperatures and helps prevent hot spots. Enamel coating. The cast iron is coated with enamel, which provides several advantages. It eliminates the need for seasoning, unlike bare cast iron. It creates a non-reactive surface, allowing you to cook acidic foods without worry. It's easier to clean and maintain than bare cast iron. It comes in a variety of colors, adding aesthetic appeal to your kitchen. Durability. The combination of cast iron and enamel results in cookware that can last for generations with proper care. Some high-end manufacturers use multiple layers of enamel to enhance durability and performance. For example, Le Creuset applies 2 layers of enamel to their cookware, with the exterior layer being colored and the interior layer being a neutral sand color for better visibility while cooking. Cooking capacity and serving sizes. The difference in design between Braisers and Dutch ovens directly impacts their cooking capacity, influencing the amount of food they can prepare and the number of people they can serve. Braisers generally have a capacity ranging from 2 to 6 quarts. Here's a breakdown of typical sizes and their serving capabilities. 2 to 3 quart Braiser, suitable for 2 to 4 people. 3 to 4 quart Braiser, ideal for 4 to 6 people. 5 to 6 quart Braiser, can serve 6 to 8 people. Their wide, shallow shape is perfect for family-sized casseroles and dishes that require more surface area than depth. This design is particularly beneficial for recipes that call for even browning or reduction of liquids. Dutch ovens typically offer larger capacities, ranging from 4 to 13 quarts or more. Here's an approximate guide to Dutch oven sizes and servings. 4 to 4 quart Dutch oven, suitable for 4 to 5 people. 5 to 6 quart Dutch oven, ideal for 5 to 7 people. 7 to 8 quart Dutch oven, can serve 7 to 9 people. 9 plus quart Dutch oven, suitable for 9 or more people or for batch cooking. This larger capacity makes Dutch ovens ideal for preparing meals for larger families or gatherings, as well as for batch cooking and meal prepping. Cooking methods and versatility. While both braziers and Dutch ovens are versatile pieces of cookware, they each excel in different cooking methods due to their unique designs. Braziers are specifically designed for, as the name suggests, braising. Their wide base and shallow sides create the perfect environment for searing meat or vegetables before adding a small amount of liquid to finish cooking. The domed lid allows for efficient evaporation, concentrating flavors, and creating tender, flavorful dishes. Other cooking methods well suited to braziers include shallow frying. The wide base allows for even oil distribution. Searing and pan frying. The large surface area is perfect for achieving a golden crust on meats and vegetables. Roasting, especially for dishes that benefit from more direct heat, like roasted vegetables. Baking, ideal for items like cobblers, frittatas, or flatbreads. Sautéing. The wide base allows for easy stirring and even cooking of ingredients. Reduction. The shallow sides promote evaporation, making it excellent for reducing sauces. Dutch ovens, with their deeper walls and larger capacity, are ideal for slow cooking, perfect for long simmering stews and braises. Making soups and stews, the large capacity is ideal for liquid-heavy dishes. Deep frying. The tall sides help contain oil splatter. Baking bread. The enclosed environment creates steam, resulting in crusty artisan-style loaves. Boiling pasta or vegetables. The large capacity allows for plenty of water. Roasting whole chickens or large cuts of meat. The depth accommodates larger items. Braising. While not as efficient as a braiser, Dutch ovens can still perform this cooking method effectively. Both pieces can be used on the stovetop and in the oven, adding to their versatility. However, the brazier's shallower design makes it more suitable for stovetop use, while the Dutch oven's depth makes it better for oven-based cooking methods. Heat distribution and retention. Both braziers and Dutch ovens benefit from the superior heat distribution and retention properties of enameled cast iron. This material heats slowly and evenly, preventing hot spots and ensuring consistent cooking results. The brazier's wide base allows for more direct heat contact with the food, making it excellent for searing and browning. The shallow sides also promote more evaporation, which can be beneficial for reducing sauces and concentrating flavors. This design is particularly effective for achieving a perfect sear on meats, caramelizing vegetables, creating pan sauces with concentrated flavors. The Dutch oven's tall sides and larger volume create a more enclosed cooking environment, which is perfect for slow cooking and simmering. The higher walls also help to prevent splattering when cooking with larger amounts of liquid. This design excels at maintaining consistent temperatures for long cooking times, creating a moist environment for tender, slow-cooked meats, retaining heat for serving at the table. Both pieces feature tight-fitting lids that help trap heat and moisture, creating an ideal environment for their respective cooking methods. The heavy lids also contribute to the overall heat retention capabilities of these pots. Maintenance and care. Both braziers and Dutch ovens are relatively easy to maintain thanks to their enameled surfaces. Unlike bare cast iron, enameled cast iron doesn't require seasoning and is generally easier to clean. However, proper care is essential to maintain their performance and appearance over time. To care for either piece, allow the pot to cool before cleaning to prevent thermal shock. Wash with warm, soapy water and a soft sponge or brush. For stubborn food residues, soak in warm water for 15 to 20 minutes before cleaning. Avoid using metal utensils or abrasive cleaners that could scratch the enamel. For tough stains, a paste of baking soda and water can be used gently. Dry thoroughly before storing to prevent rust on any exposed cast iron, like the rim. Avoiding damage. While both are durable, the enamel can chip if the cookware is dropped or subjected to extreme temperature changes. To prevent damage, avoid sudden temperature changes, such as placing a hot pot in cold water. Use wooden, silicone, or nylon utensils to avoid scratching the enamel. When stacking for storage, place a soft cloth between pieces to protect the enamel. Lift the cookware when moving it, rather than sliding it across surfaces. Maintenance steps. To keep your brazier or Dutch oven in top condition, Periodically check the knob on the lid and tighten if necessary. If the enamel becomes stained over time, a solution of water and bleach, following manufacturer's instructions, can help restore its appearance. For any exposed cast iron areas, like the rim, a light coating of vegetable oil after cleaning can prevent rusting. With proper care, both braziers and Dutch ovens can last for generations, making them worthwhile investments for any kitchen. Price and investment. Enameled cast iron cookware, particularly from high-end brands like Le Creuset and Staub, can be a significant investment. Both braziers and Dutch ovens from these brands are priced similarly, often ranging from $200 to $400 or more, depending on the size and specific model. Value considerations. While the initial cost may seem high, it's important to consider longevity. With proper care, these pieces can last a lifetime or even be passed down through generations. Versatility. The ability to use these pots for various cooking methods increases their value in the kitchen. Warranty. Many premium brands offer lifetime warranties on their enameled cast iron cookware. Energy efficiency. The excellent heat retention properties can lead to energy savings over time. Budget-friendly options. For those on a tighter budget, there are more affordable options available from other brands, though they may not offer the same level of durability or performance as the premium brands. Some reputable budget-friendly brands include Lodge, Cuisinart, Tramontina. These brands often offer similar products at a fraction of the cost of premium brands, making enameled cast iron cookware more accessible to a wider range of home cooks. Choosing between a brazier and a Dutch oven. Deciding between a brazier and a Dutch oven ultimately comes down to your cooking style, the types of dishes you prepare most often, and the number of people you typically cook for. Here's a detailed guide to help you make the best choice. Choose a brazier if you frequently cook dishes that require searing or browning before slow cooking. The wide base is perfect for achieving a good sear on meats and vegetables. You prefer cooking methods that use less liquid. The shallow sides promote evaporation, making it ideal for reducing sauces and concentrating flavors. You often prepare meals for smaller groups, 3 to 6 people. The typical capacity of braziers is well suited for smaller families or couples. You want a versatile piece that excels at stovetop cooking. While it can go in the oven, a brazier truly shines on the stovetop. You enjoy making one-pan meals. The shape is perfect for dishes where all ingredients cook together, like skillet lasagna or paella. You have limited storage space. The lower profile of a brazier can make it easier to store in smaller kitchens. Choose a Dutch oven if you regularly make soups, stews, and large one-pot meals. The deep sides and large capacity are ideal for liquid-heavy dishes. You often cook for larger groups, 4 to 10 people or more. Dutch ovens come in larger sizes, perfect for feeding a crowd. You want a versatile piece that's great for both stovetop and oven cooking. Dutch ovens transition seamlessly from stovetop to oven. You're interested in baking bread. The enclosed environment of a Dutch oven is perfect for creating crusty, artisan-style loaves. You enjoy slow cooking and braising large cuts of meat. The depth accommodates larger items and allows for long, slow cooking times. You like to make homemade stocks or broths. The large capacity is ideal for simmering bones and vegetables to make flavorful stocks. You want a pot that can double as a serving dish. Dutch ovens are attractive enough to bring directly to the table for serving. Consider both if your budget and storage space allow. Having both a brazier and a Dutch oven in your kitchen can provide you with the ultimate versatility for a wide range of cooking methods and dishes. Each piece has its strengths, and together they can cover almost all of your cooking needs. Final thought. Both braziers and Dutch ovens are valuable additions to any kitchen, offering versatility, durability, and excellent cooking performance. While they share some similarities in material and overall construction, their differences in shape and size make them suited for different cooking tasks. A brazier excels at searing, browning, and cooking with less liquid, making it ideal for dishes like braised meats, pan-fried foods, and casseroles. Its wide, shallow design promotes evaporation and flavor concentration, resulting in rich, flavorful dishes. It's a perfect choice for those who enjoy stovetop cooking and dishes that benefit from a good sear. A Dutch oven with its deeper walls and larger capacity is perfect for soups, stews, slow-cooked meals, and even bread baking. Its versatility makes it a true kitchen workhorse, capable of handling a wide variety of cooking methods both on the stovetop and in the oven. It's an excellent choice for those who cook for larger groups or enjoy making big batches of food. Ultimately, the choice between a Braiser and a Dutch oven depends on your individual cooking needs and preferences. Consider the types of dishes you cook most often, the number of people you typically cook for, and your available storage space. Whichever you choose, investing in a high-quality piece of enameled cast iron cookware will provide you with a versatile, durable tool that can enhance your cooking for years to come. Remember, the best cookware is the one that you'll use regularly and that brings joy to your cooking experience. Whether you choose a Braiser, a Dutch oven, or both, these pieces are sure to become cherished tools in your culinary arsenal, helping you create delicious meals for years to come.